Generative AI is like a super smart computer program that can create things on its own, just like how you can draw pictures or write stories. Art and design. Generative AI can be used to make cool artwork and designs. You tell the computer what kind of art you like, and it can create new pictures or designs that match your style. Writing stories. If you ever need help with writing, generative AI can assist you by suggesting ideas, helping with grammar, or even writing paragraphs or stories for you. It's like having a creative writing buddy. Music and sounds. Generative AI can also make music and sounds. You can give it some instructions, like, make a happy tune, and it will come up with music that sounds cheerful. Video games. When you play video games, the characters and worlds you see are often created with the help of generative AI. It makes the game more interesting and unpredictable. Language translation. If you want to understand what people are saying in different languages, generative AI can translate for you. It can turn English into Hindi or vice versa, making it easier to communicate with people from around the world. Chatbots. Sometimes, when you are browsing websites, you might see a little chat box that can answer your questions. That's often powered by generative AI. It can understand what you are asking and provide helpful answers. Healthcare. In medicine, generative AI can help doctors by analyzing medical data and suggesting possible diagnoses or treatment options. It's like a digital assistant for doctors. Weather prediction. Generative AI can analyze tons of data from weather sensors and satellites to predict the weather. So when you check your weather app, it's using AI to tell you if you need an umbrella or sunglasses. Remember, generative AI is like a very clever assistant that can make, write, or understand things by learning from lots of examples. It's used in many different areas to make our lives more interesting and convenient.